Hey guys, what's up? It is me again, Silk Reacts. I'm always here for you guys to give you the epic loyalty test, okay? Yes, so this one, will her boyfriend cheat while she's at work? She's at work, where are you? You understand? But first I want everyone to subscribe and please like this video as well, okay? Let's get right into it.
To test to see if he was truly loyal to her or not. Hey Kayla, we here. Oh, that's Kayla.
Hey,
You on the bleachers, Kayla?
Yeah, I'm over here by these baseball fields.
All right, we finna go.
Hey guys, Kayla mean
I'm
business.
a bartender and I work at night. So I work like the night shift, like 9 to 2 a.m.
Red flag. Not saying she got the red flag, but the guy, red flag for the guy. Bro, working a night shift is tough, bro. Bro, working a night shift is tough, like to say, wonder if, like, you're just wondering into your mind if your partner is cheating, bro. Like, trust me, you have to have the heart and the guts. You understand?
I work later hours and it's like perfect time, and every time I leave, it feel like he got some weird shit going on, basically. I have Ring cameras at my spot, and every time I check the footage at night, when I come back from work, it's deleted perfectly. So I don't know if he...
Red flag. Red flag. Once it's delete, bro, red flag, bro.
Unplugging it with the camera. I don't know what's going on, but I need y'all to help me figure out what's going on. And then he also having parties with his friends, which is cool. I don't be tripping on parties, but now it's like with these parties, every time it's just walking out of my spot, it's the perfect amount of just for him and all his partners. So I don't know what's going on no more.
Man, did you ever ask him about it? Like check him about why the cameras like keep cutting off?
I love my man, so I kind of like slight pressed him, like not hard, but I kind of pressed him. I'm just like, babe, like what's going on with the cameras?
Right. So when you at work and shit, is there a boundary set as to like who comes in and out the house? Like, are you cool with him, his partners, and having females over? Have y'all had that conversation?
I trust him, honestly, I really do.
So
I
it
trust
just
him.
really
I just
don't
want to
really-
know. I trust him. Like until it's something not to trust, but that camera is just too sneaky.
Yeah, but you added on.
Guys, you know what I'm like, what came into my mind by watching all of these videos, bro? You see the one that get catch, the fake ones, go with the fake guys. You see these real one, go with the real guys. You understand? Bro, you have some real female and some real male in this world. You understand? Trust me.
Girls too, and you said it was a certain amount of females, so I feel like you kind of, that's what's doing it.
We all know what's going on. I just need my proof. I need my proof.
Okay.
We have a lot of trust issues, and it's like if we could get past that, I think everything would be good. And that's really why I reached out to you all, because I do feel like we have trust issues. Other than that, our relationship, I would say, is 110% like everything you would want. He's reliable, he pays the bills, he do what he's supposed to do. Otherwise, I don't really have any real big issues. It's just this one thing that I just can't seem to put my finger around. I can't wrap my finger around it, to be honest.
What's your availability? Like, what's your work schedule?
I work this weekend. Anytime this weekend from 9 to like 2, I'm good.
Okay, so yeah,
You
we'll
know,
probably try to
maybe,
do the.
Maybe he's not cheating. Yo, maybe he's not cheating. Or maybe he just do that to see a reaction or something. But 100%, bro, he's cheating, bro.
On one of those days, so it's not too out of the ordinary, and he won't suspect.
That's fine. That's fine. We can do that.
Yeah, so just stay in touch, you know what I'm saying? Nice to meet you, and I'm gonna let you know all the details and shit like that. So Kayla explained every time she's at work, her Ring cameras go offline. She thinks that her boyfriend is actually doing that purposely so he can secretly hide females in his house, or just things that he don't want her to know about. Being that we have no access to her phone to see when the Ring cameras go off, we are solely relying on Kayla to give us that information when to arrive.
2 days.
So we met up with
later.
Kayla Wednesday, and Saturday she had already called us and told her that her Ring camera is already appearing offline. So she sent me the address close to where she stays so we can meet, because he could possibly have somebody inside of the house at that very moment.
Yeah, so basically, like, he think I'm at work right now. He think this is around the hours I'm supposed to be at work and shit. And the camera done went off again. I'm feeling like there's some weird going on. He think I'm at work, but I've been around the corner at my homegirl house chilling. And I feel like I need y'all to help me out. And like, his phone, I feel like it's on airplane mode. Every time I call him, my call's not going through. You know, all that.
So
all
how
that
many times you called tonight?
I called like 5 times.
He didn't answer?
I don't even call more than twice. And nah, he didn't answer. I was at my homegirl's house. He thought I was at work because it's around the time I'm supposed to be at work. I'm chilling with my homegirl. And I'm seeing that my footage on my Ring camera is off again, and it's the same stuff I've been suspecting. It's the same little stuff that I feel like he been on. So I just had to call y'all. Like, I had to call Jack TV. Straight to voicemail, straight to voicemail, straight. And I'm like, if you in the house, you supposed to be chilling. Everybody got their motherfucking phone right in their right hand all day, so you can answer my calls. So I know it's some weird shit going on, and I just need to see that shit.
Going on.
Okay, so you stay in these or?
No, I stay over there, right down there.
Sweating,
Okay,
bro.
yeah, we can go ahead and go. Let's
Bet,
go
for
ahead.
So I'm walking in with the team. I'm walking in with Jack TV. I'm kind of nervous. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know how it's gonna go, but you know my is crazy, so this could go really bad for me. What if he at the house and he really not on shit, to be honest, and it just blow up in my face? Or what if he really be mad that niggas in his house? Like, I don't know how it's gonna go, but I'm gonna stand on business.
I feel like your boyfriend is kind of like tempered.
Yeah, he definitely gonna be defensive. I'm not gonna lie, he probably is for sure.
So at this point, everything is very straightforward. All we gotta do is really just go inside the house to.
Yes, all you guys got to do is subscribe to this channel right now. You understand? Let's go into the house. You understand?
If somebody's in there or not.
Somebody is in there, bro. Someone is in there.
Hey, bro. $250, bro. This ain't no.
Guys,
it's
you
real.
want your $250?
Hey, hold on.
Scan.
Cash
You
reward, bro.
understand?
It's real. Just
Yes.
look, I can reply. You feel what I'm saying? I can reply. You feel what I'm saying? So, hey, man, I ain't gonna lie, bro. Jack, bro, thank you, bro. You feel me? I did need gas too, bro. You feel what I'm saying? You blessed at the right time, man. I ain't gonna lie, man. God bless you, bro. For real, man.
Man, thanks for the advice. I clicked your link in the bio. I downloaded the games. I followed all the steps. It took a couple of days. I didn't know if it was really going to show up, but all of a sudden I received my $250. Really excited to have been participating, and thanks for letting me know about it.
Hey man, Sam, I want to give a big shout out to Jack TV,
All
man. I
right,
was at
then
home
get them
bored,
250
watching
now.
YouTube. I clicked the link in his description, man. I followed
me,
every step
he's
of the
gonna
link in the
fail,
description,
bro.
man. And I got my 250, as y'all can see from the Cash App Awards. Got my 250, man. It took like 2 to 3 hours to come in, man, but it was worth it. Y'all get down with the link in the description, man. Follow every step, man, and y'all get right.
Bro, but look, bro, it really worked. Bro, shout out Jack TV, man.
I'm not gonna lie, man. Shout out to Jack TV. I did call Cap because I thought them boys was capping, but all I had to do was click the link in the
Nah,
description.
did
I followed
call
all the
Cap.
instructions because they did put emphasis on that.
Yo.
And that was earlier today, and it is 10:49 right now.
I get the 250.
That joint
all
hit.
right.
Shout out to Jack TV, man.
Big up yourself.
250 just like that.
By clicking the link in the description or scanning the QR code, this could easily be you. All they did was follow a few steps, which led them to download a few apps and complete deals. It's that easy. In the event that you are having trouble obtaining your reward, I will personally help you myself. All you have to do is show me proof of you completing the deals, and I will personally walk you through the process myself. Click the link in the description and scan the QR code and claim your $250 today.
Right? Who this guy have in the house? Bro, they took. Oh, the guy, he's not Richard there? Oh, he's not there as yet. Oh, I thought he was there, you know. Okay, because I'm wondering why they step in so hard, you know, footstep, ting, 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 up the stairs. Hey, he must hear that. But let's see what is going to happen.
Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that.
He's there, bro. He's there, bro. Yo.
What's going on, bro? What the fuck you got going on? You ain't got shit going on. Nah, you obviously do. You obviously do. Who the fuck curse is that? Who the fuck shit is that, though?
Don't worry about
Who the fuck shit is that?
Bro, the female is upstairs, bro. Why you keep holding her, bro?
Y'all gotta go, man. Y'all gotta slide.
Y'all
It's
gotta let you go, bro.
Whataburger on the counter. You
If I
fucking
go,
with
I
fast
go,
food
hey,
hoes and shit.
don't do that.
I don't know what the fuck going on. And I'm walking up and I see him and he trying to hold me back from seeing a bitch. I hope he not really fucking around in my house. I hope that shit not going on. That shit weird as fuck.
Bro, y'all gotta slide, bro. Let's go. Let's go. Man, what the fuck is you doing, man? Hey, Kayla, hold on.
Kayla, run. Hey, they have to run to protect the girl because it's cheese, right?
I know it. Why the fuck you in my shit? Who the fuck you? Who the fuck is you? Why you gotta in my shit? Don't worry about it.
What is going on? Hey. All of my subscribers, all of my Silk Reacts people want to see what is going on. Put the camera inside of the room, please.
They were they supposed to be. They were they supposed to be. They were they supposed to be.
Get these the fuck
Back
out my
up.
house, man.
Why is it a bitch in my shit? Get this out of my shit.
Bro, shorty.
Man, get slide. Bro, this nigga smoking weed with a bitch in my fucking house. This nigga chilling with a hoe in my house. This nigga not saying shit. This ain't no shit. I'm steady asking this nigga why the fuck he got a bitch in my house and he not fucking answering me, bro. This shit really finna blow me. This really finna blow.
You don't need no answer, girl. You already know he have a chick in the house. Okay? The camera is off. Yes. So you know every light turn off as well. Once the camera off, every light turn off as well. Shorty in the house? Okay, it's not a mouse.
You zone me the fuck out. That shit hard as fuck. With a Whataburger, bitch.
It's too much going on.
Slide. I'm gonna go. Yeah, that's what you should do. Slide.
Who the fuck is these niggas, bro?
Who the fuck is this bitch? Who the fuck is this bitch?
Bro,
I'll find out then.
Bro, what type of shit
Find out.
on, bro?
Stay up there. Worry about them niggas. Worry about them niggas. We gonna talk.
Bro,
We gonna talk. Worry about them.
Bro, stay. What's up, bro?
I gotta holler at you.
These guys have some good females, bro. And they choose to cheat on their female that is perfectly good with an ugly ass looking rhinoceros rat face female. They always choose the worst girl when they're cheating, when guys cheating, overall, girl and men. When they're cheating, they choose the worst person, bro. Yo, bro, what, yo, Jano Star.
That's fine. Yeah, we can talk about it then. We can talk about it then. We can talk about it then. How you know my nigga?
Worry about your girl, boo.
Okay. That's not what I asked. How do you know my nigga chilling with me?
Let him go.
Answer the question I'm asking you. How do you know my nigga?
I'm telling you that.
Damn.
He was chilling with me. He never told me.
How did he reach out to you? Get the fuck out of my face. How did he reach out to you?
All right, man.
How did he reach out to this bitch? How do you know this? I'm finna.
Bro, he's protecting the other girl, bro. Maybe he know that his original girlfriend, his original girlfriend. This one is fake girlfriend. So his original girlfriend will hit this girl. So maybe this side chick know what is happening, you know. So they're gonna be back together after this thing happen. You understand? So it's a lot of mix up. Sugar, salt, water, ketchup. You understand? Tomato, salad. Too much things mixed up right here.
Move.
Baby.
That's weird as shit, bro. This is weird.
Chill out, bro. You tripping right now, bro.
Oh my God. Smack the fuck out of y'all. What the fuck?
Talking for, bro.
Move.
Man, what is you?
What the fuck?
Man, no, bro. Y'all need to y'all see here.
Y'all some weird ass shit. This some old weird ass shit for real. Move.
Bro, at the end of the day, they got a good, nice house as well. You understand? You understand? Wagwan.
Don't worry about them.
Yeah.
Move.
This thing is just touching, bro.
Weird shit.
Bro, hey, if I'm going to touch,
Don't worry.
hey.
Don't touch them.
What y'all doing?
Chill out. Hey, chill out. Tripping.
Stop, babe.
Bro, what type of shit you want in here, bro? Why would you bring these niggas to my fucking house, bro?
Hey,
I
why
knew you
you?
was on some weird shit while I was at work. I knew you was on some weird shit. Every time I go to work, why do the ring camera be cleared every time I go to work?
Man, what is you talking
Why
about?
do you be clearing that fucking camera every
See
time?
what she's talking about, bro. You literally get catch, bro. You expose. You understand? You fail. Red flag. Bing. Guys, subscribe. You understand? Subscribe. Big up all of my subscribers. And do remember, follow me on Instagram as well. Thank you very much, okay?
How do you even work that shit?
Man, what the fuck, bro?
Hey, calm down, bro.
Oh my
Yo,
God.
what I can't understand with some people in life, bro. You have everything, bro. You have everything, bro. Everything, bro. And you're just gonna mess it up by cheating, bro. Trust me, bro. Just stop cheat, bro. You understand? No cheating, guys. You understand? Let the other person cheat. Let your neighbor cheat or something. And look and yo, Jano Star. Yo.
Worry about
Why you
worry about what the
Hey,
I
listen,
wish.
Bro,
I-
hey, what you?
Every time I check that motherfucking footage,
Yeah,
it's always
it's
clear.
hurt,
What do you be
bro.
doing?
You see me laughing, bro. It's hurt, bro. It's hurt, bro. Trust me, it's hurt. Really hurt, bro.
Tell the truth, 'cause I already seen this.
I don't be
what the
doing
fuck you
nothing.
doing?
I don't be
Man, one of y'all better get the out my motherfucking face. I'm not gonna lie.
These niggas better get the fuck out my house.
Security.
What you talking about?
Man, get this nigga out my My name on the lease.
know what, bro?
At the end of the day, my name on the lease.
man. My name on the lease too. What is you talking
And
about?
you don't pay
I
no
put
bill.
down paper every day.
Okay.
What is you talking about? All that shit you got on, cussing me. What the fuck is you on?
It started getting way out of hand and way too serious. And honestly, I really feel like this was the wrong decision to make. My started getting aggressive with me. I never seen that before. Like at this level, he started getting aggressive with the security. They fighting, they thumping. He slammed me on my head. He put me on my shit. I don't know what the fuck is going on, but maybe we should just cut all this. Like I think it's a bad idea. But I just had to know like what he was doing.
Hey, chill out.
Bro, what the fuck?
Stop touching her, bro. You know what?
Yeah.
Get your hands on me.
Come on.
Put your hands on me, bro. Real talk.
What?
I'm telling you right now, bro. Stop putting your hands on me. Talk to your girl, bro.
Hey, Kayla,
Put your hands on me, bro.
these at my house.
Get the fuck out of my house.
What?
Get the fuck out of my house. They can be here. I invited them here. They can be here.
Hey,
What you talking about?
stop touching, bro.
Fuck you talking about?
Stop touching, bro.
Fuck you talking about?
What is
Just come right there and talk.
Yo, she should leave this guy, bro. Like this guy is not for her, bro. 100%, bro. What is going on?
Bro,
Hey, Kayla, do you mind going outside?
Yeah, it's fine.
Let's go outside. Hey, just watch out, bro.
Watch out. Watch out.
Hey, this security guard, bro, is a general. You understand? Guys, do you know I'm from Jamaica? You understand? Wagwan now. Yes. Security guy and hot. No violence though, you understand?
you good, bro. Hey, come here.
Bro, why you keep touching the guy? You're gay as well?
Separate Caleb from my boyfriend because he was getting a little bit physical, and I didn't want anybody to get harmed because I would feel responsible for that. So I just went ahead and removed her from the house completely.
So Jack ended up pulling me outside because the situation, like I told you, it got kind of crazy. It started getting wild, and he pulled me outside to make sure I felt safe.
Do you feel safe?
I don't. Nah, because he got caught up, and now he acting crazy. Y'all see that shit?
Damn.
He done slammed me and
She's
all
still
types
not
of
safe,
shit. And
bro.
I'm not gonna lie, I
Because
don't feel safe.
when
I
you
don't
guys, yeah, I know you're not feel safe, cute girl. Don't worry yourself. You understand? Because when Jack TV leave, it's you alone with that guy. Oh my God.
in this
go with
environment, in
you.
this situation. It's just getting too crazy. I'm seeing niggas fighting and all type of shit, and honestly, I just want everybody to get the fuck out of my house.
Damn. I don't want to have to call law enforcement.
Call him, get him the fuck out of my shit. I don't give a fuck what you do, get him the fuck out of my shit. And the bitch around, get her out of my shit too. Get that out of my
Hey,
shit.
you gonna have to chill out, bro, because I don't want to have to call law enforcement, bro.
Call the law.
Get that nigga out of my
Tripping,
shit.
bro. She said, bro, your girl, she don't feel
Get that nigga
safe.
out of my shit, bro.
She don't feel
don't
safe.
feel safe.
All right, well, tell her to come here.
Man, get that out of my shit. I don't want to say shit to that nigga. Get him out of my shit. Straight like that. Get him out of my shit.
Make him
Bro, let's talk.
Bro,
Get
this
that
thing
out
is,
my
bro,
head.
this thing is hurtful, bro. She's outside, bare feet, bro. No slippers, bro, in the cold, bro. Oh God, bro. Yo, trust me, these human being in the world is wicked. Trust me. John knows that.
Calm down, bro. Calm down. I can't let you put your hands in it. Come on, bro, calm
hands on
down.
the
Well, just
brain.
calm down and
You
talk,
just
bro.
slam me on my neck. What the fuck?
What is you want?
Man, back up. What do you got going on with that bitch? I don't give a fuck. Whatever we gotta talk about it.
Bro, go back inside and talk. Go back inside.
We trying to de-escalate it. We trying to calm the situation down, but it's like he don't want to listen to reason. He ain't trying to talk about shit. He ain't trying to talk about nothing. So it just seemed like honestly we should just stop filming and call it quits. Like, it's no point.
Bro, why they go back inside?
It started getting even worse. It started getting even more crazier. As like my nigga, he started knocking over bottles. He acting real belligerent. And Jack and everybody, they just felt like it was best to just stop filming for a second because it started getting real. And they started pulling everybody to the side and having separate conversations. Gabe and my nigga had a conversation and they started talking about it because they was thumping for a while. They was getting into it over him putting his hands on me.
Well,
so we all,
guys, as you can see, she is okay because she's telling what go on before. So, her ear is doing well and everything okay. So, girl, go get someone better. You understand? Yes. Sometimes some of these ladies, they see a guy and they want that guy. You understand? It is the wrong guy. You understand? Hope you get some.
Luckily, we cut the cameras off to try to cool everything down because by that time, the cops actually arrived to the house and I had to actually go to the door and talk to them while Gabe was talking to her boyfriend upstairs.
Face it, man, look, bro, you already got caught. And then you try to bring that card. Come on, bro. Y'all brothers, y'all doing this. Come on, bro. What kind of whole ass shit is that?
What type of whole ass shit is y'all running up in my house with cameras though?
Bro,
That's
you-
weird. That's different. Bro, that's weird as fuck. You don't get that though?
Bro, listen, bro.
You don't know what the got going on or none of that.
No,
bro.
man,
That's
bro.
some police shit.
Listen, bro. In life, you gotta admit that sometimes, bro. You got caught, bro. You study wrestling with us, you got
Y'all
caught.
niggas is different. So what, bro? All right, can I holler at her though? Like, babe, like, what's up,
You
bro?
keep
Like,
touching- bro, we gave her too many chances, bro. All you keep doing is touching her, bro. You keep touching her.
man, y'all niggas.
Keep touching her for no reason, bro. When you got caught, bro.
Y'all niggas gonna make me start touching y'all in this bitch. Like, for real though, bro. Like real talk, bro. Like, I don't give a fuck about none of that big security shit. I don't care,
But
bro.
handle your business.
Real talk, like y'all niggas.
Bro,
Bro, I'm trying to be peaceful, bro. Just slide, bro. I'm trying to be peaceful. Just slide.
Bro, if you're
I'm
trying to
I'm
be
really trying to
peaceful, why you keep
Am I
doing
We
breathing?
ain't
this?
going nowhere,
Why?
bro. We here all night, bro. We ain't going nowhere. You need to go and see what happened, bro. You got cheating. You got caught cheating, bro. Face this,
Yeah.
bro. You ain't going nowhere. Once you go outside with your girl, just guess what happened? You got caught cheating, bro. Just chill out, relax, bro.
At the end of the day, bro, everybody just want clarity for we don't want to leave here and she feel unsafe like that, bro.
I'm not about to do nothing to that girl, bro. I just
Okay, but listen, bro, listen. But
Call the police.
But how? Look, you keep touching her. Stop touching her.
For no reason.
That's the only reason why we here, bro. We can leave. If you just chill the fuck out and have a conversation like a grown ass man.
Can we talk, please?
That's all we asking for. That's all we asking
Can we
for.
talk, bro? Can we talk, bro?
I wanted to talk before you cleared the ring cameras.
Around all these
Oh,
people.
I wanted to
God,
talk
yeah.
before you was cleared
Y'all
the
can talk. Come on, y'all. Let them talk. Slide on the extra shit. Let them talk. Go ahead.
Now after all this shit, he want to have a conversation now. He wants to be calm. He wants to have a conversation. But it's like, you ain't want to talk this whole time. This whole time we've been filming, you ain't want to talk. Instead of focusing on clearing out the ring cameras, doing all this shit you've been doing, you've been focusing on Gabe and the rest of the camera crew. And that's what I don't
Yeah,
understand.
this thing
Let
is
them talk,
hurtful.
Gabe. Let them talk.
Bro. It really ain't no explanation for this shit. That's the homie, bro. It wasn't shit going on. I ain't touch her. We ain't kiss, touch, none of that shit. That's a friend of mine. I really ain't got no explanation for why the ring camera cutting off. I don't know. You know, I
Yo,
don't
this
know.
guy's lying, bro.
Can I bring niggas in here?
Absolutely not. What the fuck you mean,
Why I
though?
can't bring some homies in here?
Why would you? You
I'm
ain't
saying.
fucking got no male friends.
I'm
Why
saying,
would
at
you
this
get found,
point,
though, bro? You just bought all like
I'm
what
saying-
niggas in here. Who the fuck is these niggas?
My homies.
That's
My homies. That's
how you playing it though.
That's how you playing. You clearing footage and shit. You still won't admit to that shit. You brought up shit in my shit. I don't give a fuck if that's your friend or what's going on. You bringing bitches in my shit. You keep on negating that part. You keep on canceling out that shit. Like, just say you cleared the cameras and you don't worry about him. Why are you still worried about him?
Talking to me,
I don't
bro,
oh
like-
my God, this is why I
I'm
can't
trying
even
to
talk to this
you.
nigga. The stupidest
Talking about this and shit. Admit
he
what?
said he talking about him.
Ain't nothing to admit. I ain't
You more worried about him than you is about what you
nobody,
did.
bro. I ain't touched nobody, bro. We had a drink. We had smoking a blunt. That's it, bro. I ain't touched
Hey, so
nobody. I keep
when you
fucking telling
go to work, can I have a drink and smoke blunts with niggas in here? I just wanted to know. I didn't know that.
I know what the I got going on in this crib. So why the
I'm saying. No. Answer that though. I want to know from now on. Can I start bringing niggas in here and kicking it?
we want the to die?
She basically saying that from a standpoint that you doing it to her, bro. What's the difference? That's double standard, bro. You doing the same shit to her. You just had a.
Or y'all.
I'm just saying, fool.
Y'all see this shit? Y'all see? Y'all see why it don't make no sense to even do this shit?
Like why?
That's
like,
why I've been said, just get the fuck out of my shit, because there's no point in talking. It's no point in talking. Go be with the
I
Go.
ain't trying to be with her, bro. You know I ain't trying to.
Go kick it with the homie. Hopefully she got a
No,
spot
I
for you to
ain't trying
stay
to be with
at.
her, bro. You know I
Hopefully
ain't
she
trying
got a
to be with
spot
her.
for you to stay at. What the f you got going
Be
on?
on like that though, bro. All this I do for you, really just gonna be on that though type shit. Like that's what you on right now?
What the f you been on?
Yeah.
If you could just at least answer some questions I had.
Answer a
Instead
question.
of deflecting it and talking about this nigga and talking about everything else except for what the f I'm asking you. Okay, I'm steady asking you about this fucking ring camera. Yes or no? Did you delete the footage?
Oh, I don't even know.
How?
Yeah, a lot of red flag, bro. It's like the red flag is just waving over his head, bro. This guy is capping, bro. This guy is a liar, bro. Trust me, this guy is lying, bro. Every word he says is a lie.
About this technology.
What we doing? So what we doing?
We did everything you wanted us to do, so
Yeah, sure.
I'm gonna go ahead and just respect his wishes and go ahead and step up out of here. But as long as you feel safe, you know what I'm saying, that's my main priority. I ain't trying to leave here and shit go down.
Yeah, bro,
I'm
slide, bro.
somewhat
Slide.
responsible.
Yeah, she good, bro. She cool. She know she cool. Y'all can pull. Like, slide, for sure. Y'all get
That's right, Gabe.
Don't take no camera.
Hey, chill. As soon as we started getting somewhere, we started getting a good conversation. I started figuring out some things. It's like,
This
he
guy
got
is sick.
right back on immediately, right back on. So I just feel like there's no point in continuing to film. I got my answers. I got my clarity. I know what's going on. I thank Jack TV for helping me out. I thank everybody that helped me film, all the crew. But honestly, that's he on some shit, so I'm done.
This video was a lot to unpack. Kayla got the answers she wanted and the clarity she needed to move forward in her relationship. Nobody got harmed in this video, you guys. Everything went smooth, and we just kind of packed up everything and left. If you enjoyed this test,
They pack everything and left. You understand? Like it is not safe. Call the pow. You understand? Call the police. You understand? Because once Jack TV leave, bro. Once they leave, bro. You're gonna hear it on the news that someone killed someone and then kill themselves. Like suicide. You understand? Because this guy get catch. You understand? Exposed to the world as a red flag. Over a red flag too. Not even stoplight red is redder than this guy red flag. You understand? Guys, thank you very much. You reached the end of the video. You understand? Big respect to all of my subscribers. You understand? People who never subscribe yet, subscribe now. Okay? Yes, will her boyfriend cheat while she's at work? Bing! Yes, he cheat. You get what I'm saying? You get what I'm saying? Guys, find me in the next loyalty test video or pop balloon or in the next video, okay? Big up on yourself. I'm out.